Are you still relying on manual Excel spreadsheets or expensive SaaS platforms to manage your stock? You might think these are your only options. But let's be honest, using a SaaS platform is like letting someone else drive your own car. You're paying rent on your own data, with zero control over the engine. In 2026, you need a high-performance branded platform that is 100% tailored to your needs. A digital asset you own, not one you rent. We architect your system with AI-powered demand forecasting to predict stock needs before they arise, built on a robust microservices architecture for 100% uptime. From IoT-enabled real-time tracking to automated low-stock alerts, we remove human error and move your supply chain at the speed of light. The result? Optimized space, no more dead stock, and total data sovereignty. Your data stays with you, secure, private, and subscription-free. This platform is a game changer for your brand. Stop renting and start owning. We can set up and help you adopt your custom system in just 30 days. Take the wheel of your business today. Visit Zignuts.com and let's architect your custom inventory future together.